Hi everyone, back to my show. Is it good? Today we'll be trying out to make honey Dijon mustard dressing. I got this recipe from allrecipe.com. Let's see if it's good. The recipe called for mayonnaise, ground mustard, lemon juice, and some honey. Okay, we'll be mixing this up. Okay, looks good. I have some lettuce here I'll be testing out. Pretty good. A little bit on the sweet side, but it's not bad. Not bad for if you have an emergency dressing that you need and you ran out of dressing. So this is a good alternative. Has a nice flavor to it. A little tangy, sweet at the same time. There you go. I recommend this recipe. Thank you. Until next time. Bye.